Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Tecno Spark 2022. So at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode. How to do it you will find in the manual instruction to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. Sometimes you have to push the button, click for 3 times for example. Sometimes the device starting automatically in the pair mode, so you have to check it by yourself. If you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible but not for your phone, I'm only starting from the simplest way, just restart your connection. So switch it off and switch it on again. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and just reset. After that, check the pair list, so tap on the Bluetooth icon and hold the finger on it, and you can see there you have available devices, so check that your Bluetooth accessory is visible here. If not, go back to the settings and slide down, sorry about that misclick, and slide down to the system. Now go to the reset options and choose reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So tap on it, choose reset settings, configure pattern or the code, and tap on the reset settings again. After that, look for your device again. The next tip from me, check your system update. If you have any updates, just download it and install. You can do it in the system section in the settings, choose system update and tap on the online update. Check that you have any updates. If you have, install it and look for your device again. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which gadget making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.